So in the last video we added the navbar styling on scroll. So in this video what I'll be doing is I'll teach you how to add favicon icon in your website. So basically favicon icon we can see here. For now it's just a normal, just some icon is there, but what we want is we want to add a custom favicon icon for our website. So let's do that. So I'll go just after the title. I need to add, not style sheet actually, link relationship icon, and then need to add the, before hyperlink we need to add the type. So the type will be image text icon, and then where is our favicon icon located? So it's this one, 32 into 32. So let's try.
So रुको जरा.
So you see now we have our favicon icon here. So this is how you can add your favicon icon in your website, and this is really important to add a favicon icon in your website. So in the next video we will start working on the responsiveness, and for first we will be fixing some desktop spacing issue in the next video.